Hello, I'm TJ Warren, President and CEO of Valley Professionals Community Health Center. A few years ago, I was approached by a small group of community members who reinforced a dire need for affordable health care in West Terre Haute. The committee shared that West Terre Haute had a poverty rate of 28% and a high uninsured rate of more than 15%, both more than double the state average. 13.2% of the population was unemployed, and 77.9% of the students at West Vigo Elementary were on free or reduced lunch. It became clear to me that the investment of a clinic in West Terre Haute would be invaluable, providing an affordable, long-lasting, and positive transformation within the community, supporting the overall health and local individuals and families.
Few people realize that the National Avenue in West Terre Haute was one of the most heavily traveled roads in the nation. Up until the coming of the interstate system, Interstate 70 in 1969 and 70, National Avenue was US 40. So if you're going from east to west, you had to drive through West Terre Haute. And that's why when I was growing up here, there were as many as 9 or 10 gas stations. There were several diners and restaurants along the way. So I mean, literally thousands of people traveled through West Terre Haute on a daily basis up until about the late 1960s. I don't think people fully understand the importance of small stores and drugstores like Dodge Drugs in West Terre Haute. They were, in effect, small community centers in towns of this size. This is where you would, of course, go to get your prescriptions. Women would buy their makeup. And they had a wonderful soda fountain counter. I mean, I certainly remember getting root beer floats and things there. So a drugstore like that, as I said, just acted as a place for community to gather, gossip, talk about things. And then when you would leave, there would be out on the sidewalk on National Avenue, you would inevitably see 4, 5, 6 people who just happened to come to the store at the same time, and they would congregate and talk over the news of the neighborhood and the town and what was going on.
Since St. Leonard's Church and school closed, we, Sisters of Providence, decided to reach out to our closest neighbors in a new way. So we started the Connecting Link on National Avenue in West Terre Haute. This ministry offers information, referral, and advocacy. During the past 20 years, we have worked to have citywide trash pickup. We have started Providence Housing Corporation for senior citizens, the approval of the backpack program. What we still need is a doctor's office and a pharmacy. After several years of planning, Valley Professionals agreed to build and to staff a clinic with a pharmacy. We are now in the fundraising process and hope to have the clinic and pharmacy open house sometime within the next year.
My name is Tammy Pearson, and I am a nurse practitioner at Valley Professionals Community Health Center, as well as a West Terre Haute native. As a medical provider, I see firsthand the barriers and challenges that patients can face when healthcare services are not easily accessible. Valley Professionals is a federally qualified health center which enables them to serve the uninsured, underinsured, as well as the insured. Services that Valley Professionals will provide to the community includes primary care, behavioral health, and patient support services. The clinic will also have a pharmacy on site, which will provide a significant benefit for the community and eliminate the barrier of transportation to the nearest pharmacy outside of West Terre Haute. As a West Terre Haute native, I remember the days of Dodge Drugs and that hometown feeling of your doctor and pharmacist knowing who you are. West Terre Haute has always been and continues to be a close-knit community, and my hope is that those in the community will take ownership in this project as it becomes a reality.
Well, I'm really excited about the healthcare clinic and the pharmacy here in West Terre Haute. I think our clients at the pantry will benefit a great deal from having it so close. We have a lot of clients that show up here either on foot or riding their bicycle. And for those clients, it is an additional burden to try to obtain rides or make arrangements or take the bus even would be pretty time consuming. So having the clinic on this side of the river will be a real service to the folks here in West Terre Haute.
Current health outcomes in West Terre Haute and surrounding areas are underinsured with very limited access to options supporting both individual and community health. Challenges of poverty, unemployment, and underinsured rates create substantial barriers for many to receive health care. The new health center will provide quality and integrated services that aim to improve positive outcomes and dissolve barriers in the community, such as transportation, access, and affordability. The 4,900 square foot building will feature 7 exam rooms, 2 behavioral health treatment rooms, a lab, and a pharmacy. Services include primary care, behavioral health, patient support services, and drive-up pharmacy. Valley Professionals Community Health Center plans to open here in the heart of West Terre Haute in early 2022. But our community still needs your help. Visit us online today at valleyprohealth.org/WTH and donate today.